Hello from the Bureau, where we've got you covered with the forecast that everyone wants to know for Saturday's AFL Grand Final between the Tigers and the Giants. Melbourne's weather looks set to behave for the big game, with a cool, dry day on the way, with light winds, perfect for an even clash. Before that, we might get some rain on the parade tomorrow, as a few showers move into the city with a cool southwesterly change around lunchtime, but they should well and truly clear by Friday evening. Throughout Saturday, it's partly cloudy skies at the G, with the odd sunny break, almost zero chance of rain, and a cool breeze blowing from the south-southwest at around 15 to 20 kilometres per hour. Light winds means the feels-like temperature and the air temperature will stay around the same throughout the afternoon in the mid-teens. If you're joining the queues at the G early on Saturday or have a big brekkie planned, you're looking at around 7 degrees at sunrise. Heading towards 9 by the time gates open, and then around 15 degrees with a mix of sun and cloud in time for the first bounce. Staying dry through the afternoon with that cool breeze, reaching a top of 16 before dipping back to around 15 at the final siren. Now, it was a fairly similar day weather-wise for the Tigers' last win in 2017, when we saw a cool and dry top of 15.4. In fact, 10 of Richmond's 11 grand final wins have been in dry weather, and 7 of the 11 times they've lost have been in the wet, including the wettest grand final on record in 1925, losing to Collingwood by 25 points to 13 in steady rain. So we can say the Tigers definitely seem to have more grand final luck when the weather's dry. But as for the Giants, well, they're yet to write their grand final history. A little cooler this Saturday than the low to mid-20s they've been training in Western Sydney this week, but Saturday's conditions look as good as any for their first flag. So take a jacket to keep you warm, pack your sunnies for when the cloud clears, and most definitely show your team colours with your scarves and beanies. Have the Bomb weather app handy throughout the afternoon to keep an eye on all the weather throughout the game.